So over here, you can see that I am in the video editor of a video that I uploaded inside of my YouTube channel. So over here, once you're on the editor, you can see that if you have no end cards in your videos, then you just see the video clip right here. So sometimes what you may want to do is at the end, you might want to add in an end screen element. So in order to do that, you can go around on to end screen right here. And then from over here, you can see that you can apply different things right here. You can go around and apply template right here and choose an end screen, and you get different elements as you can see just like this. But I'm just going to go around and select and delete each one of them right here just like this. So now if I were to go around over here, you can also click on the element button right here. And once you do that, here you can see that you can add in a specific video as you can see just like this. You can resize this, place this wherever you want, and then let's say choose it to be best for viewer, or you can also go around and choose a specific video right here just like this. So once this is done, you can go around onto element, and then you can also bring in the subscribe button as you can see and place it wherever you want right here. You can go around under element, and you can also go around, bring in a playlist of your choice right here and place it, resize it wherever you want right here. And from the timeline, you can also go around and then resize this out right here just like this. And then what happens is that different elements pop up in different timings accordingly. So that is how you can go around and add in end screen video elements from the video editor inside of YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.